Hey, okay, so the page you're on obviously is this page that we're looking at. And my first prompt was at what time? It doesn't show a time, does it? It usually oh, here we go. 11:19. So that was about less than an hour ago. And I built this less than an hour ago. Okay, so that's one thing that you can see happen. So let's get into it, right? What are you supposed to do? This is what you're supposed to do. No BS. So first of all, you go to chatgpt.com or Google Gemini, whichever one you have. Everyone always has ChatGPT. Google Gemini is pretty hot. They're both hot. I would do both. Okay, so anyways, let's say you're opening up a barbershop. I need to create a barbershop website for my barbershop in Fort Lauderdale. Give all the details of your barbershop and the vibe that you're going for, and the colors. You can input your logo in here. So I'm gonna put luxury, and I'm gonna put gold and green, but gold and green, and I'm gonna just say gold, black, and white, gold and black and white, and then I want to say zebra mascot, just so you can see what's going on as detailed as you want. And then I'm gonna also put my prices is $99 per haircut, and there is also a gentleman's club in the back for uh for $1,000 membership per month. Okay, so I need a prompt for Lovable to create this. Boom. So that's one. That's like your first prompt. Boom. So now you're gonna let this generate, and I'm gonna show you a few different things. Okay. So here's the prompt. Bomb. You see they added SEO in there. We can get into more prompts as it go, but we're just pretty much having this do all the work for us. We're not necessarily coding or doing any work. So let that generate. I want to put this in here and say make this prompt better and more futuristic and private, right? And then this is going to generate me something. The quantum cut. I'm not sure. I didn't give it a name, so I'm gonna keep the quantum cup. I like that. Forget it. So I'm gonna open up another one and do this so you can see. This is all we're doing so far. We're just putting the prompt in there. So these are going, and you could say create me a better prompt, and this will actually create you a better prompt along the lines of what you want. Keep adding information along the way. Hopefully you give all the information you have in one, like in this, but it doesn't really matter. You can keep adding stuff on along the way and make it better and better as the time goes. So that's that. You say want me to write headline CTA copy for each next. Great thing about this is you can keep communicating, saying yes, no, and you can develop out something great. But we're trying to get this up fast as possible. As you can see, I've already generated two websites, two different designs, and this is actually for free. You get 5 free credits, and you can just go write about it and do exactly what I just did for your brand, your business. If you're selling products, whatever, just get as much information as you can into this ChatGPT or Google Gemini to ask it to create you a prompt for what you're looking to do, copy it, and then insert that prompt into Lovable.dev. Um, then that's step one, right? And then after that, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain, which is easy, inside of the workshop. So tap in. This is the easiest way to create a website immediately. So this is spinning up preview. It'll be done pretty soon. This is what it looks like. You get 5 free a day. So you haven't paid for anything yet, literally, which is great. Um, because if you can get everything you need in between the 5 prompts, which I'm showing you right now, well, at least the first part, then it will be great to keep it moving. But to get all the details, really, this is it. This is all you really need. But obviously, there's more things you can do to make this thing go, you know, better, of course. But you don't really need anything else after this besides connecting your domain. How you do that is you click publish, and you click custom domains right there, and then you click connect domains. What does that say? Make edits or project. Oh, it's got to finish publishing. Uh-oh, I think it's coming. Oh, here it goes. So they have like an easy thing, like wherever your domain is at. If you don't have a domain, you have to buy one. But if you do have one, you just go here and type in what your domain is .com, and it'll analyze your domain, figure out where it's hosted, and then you just log in via whatever domain provider it is. I have one that's not on here, so it would go. If you have one that's not on there, just go manual, and then go to your DNS and put this in. You heard that noise? To do that, I'm going to show you how to do that in the workshop. It'll be better because it'll be more time. Yes, I have. Wait, no, get me out of here. Okay, so here's the first one, zebra cuts. So, as you can see, exactly what I was talking about is right here. Why zebra cuts reign supreme, master craftsmanship. You can edit this picture right here by doing this, and like adding an image in there from your from your computer. Just literally, you see what I did? I clicked edit, I clicked the image, and then I uploaded the image in there, and then I said replace this image with this one. Boom, and it'll go out and do that. Zebra cut services. Home, you can see I have a services page. You can see I have a services page. You can see every one of these pages work. V Club, welcome to V Club, gallery, about us, and contact. So literally all of this was built off one freaking prompt. And this is literally every page is about 100, $200. So one, two, three, four, five, six, that's about $1,200 website right here on point. Let's see this other one. It's still working, it's still generating. You literally just made a website. You can sell this thing, or you can fix it up, obviously, like this location, this thing. It's great, right? Like, this is amazing. You have other prompts and stuff that I'll be giving you for 17 bucks if you just go below and get the sauce from me, the prompts and things in that nature. And join our live community, our live webinar, so you can see how I do other things. But actually, here's the other one. Oh, look at that. Initially, look at that. Look at that. That looks good for a lot of and algorithms of refinement. You can see it's a different type of design, completely different design, right? Completely different design. But um, you know, we're literally just